Hi, and thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I will show you how to create reusable hidden value custom tags where the friendly name for each tag value remains invisible in the final link. To do that, let's go to Custom Tags and hit the Add Custom Tag button. Here, we can select hidden value, then add a title to our tag. In my case, it will be languages, and enter the friendly name of each tag value. Now that the tag group has been created and saved, we are ready to start adding some values. Let's upload all our languages through a CSV file. The CSV has two columns. One has the language name, and the other has the language code that will actually appear in the final link that we'll build when we start tracking. And as you can see, once I upload the file, everything is in place and I can safely update the tag. It will be ready for use straight away. And that concludes our tutorial. Please like our video or contact us with any questions. This is Melina Mitova from CampaignTrackly. Thank you for watching and have a great day.